Hi, this is Mark from Trail Buddy. I thought we'd just do a quick video of what's going on in the shop. It's been about a little over a year since we've been in our new location. Seems to be working out really well with a nice retail space. So let's go in and see what's happening. So here you see our showroom that we got all set up. We got a bunch of bikes in the windows here to get people in. I got a bunch of cool half frames that we made to show the paint options that we do. Got a bunch of original artwork, I call them, but they're the ads that were in magazines. We got all our parts and pieces. We got some electric bike prototypes. A few bikes in here for service. Got our Trail Buddy t-shirts. Fully stocked up on parts. Yeah, the ads are pretty cool. Everybody that comes in really likes to check them out. We've got a lot of anything that I could find that dealt with the mini trails or Trail 70s or pretty much any classic Honda bikes. And then we also found a bunch of cool old original license plates that could have been on a mini trail back at that time. A close up on some of the frames. We've got Ron from Trail Buddy working hard. We'll go back. Here's all of our inventory all stacked up, ready to go. We've got all the OEM parts on one side. We got Kendall there, hard working. All the inventory is kind of in the middle of the spot. It's been a really good move from us from our other location. Just all the inventory that we can have, and we've got our shipping department here where everything gets packed up and sent out. And then back in the shop, we are full of bikes for service. We too do more than mini trails, so we've got RB90 that we've been working on for some time. So these are all kind of like basic stuff. Some of it's change points, spark plugs, some is basic, even as change the oil and air filter. Got one of our clone bikes in here for service. Got our main build area. Got everything that we need right handy to be as efficient as we can. Radio playing. Scooter. Got all the clone bikes that we get in. We break them down and we test them. And we run them. And we make sure that everything is good before we ship them to the customer. So we don't just get them in and just ship them out. We go through them and check them out. This one's getting some little miscellaneous stuff that the customer wants. We did a seat stencil that he wanted. Painted that on there, and then we're putting some decals on for him. Got one of probably our oldest bikes in the shop. The CB160. Customer brought this in. We couldn't get one side of the cylinder to run. The points and the timing was set off, and one of the carburetors, somebody made a custom gasket, and it stuck the float, so it couldn't get fuel into the engine. Well, this one was one that we had to fight with for a while before we looked into the carburetor. Or you'd figure somebody makes a custom gasket. We got the paint shop. It's being used for storage right now for bikes, but got some 50 parts that we're getting ready to paint. And then later today we've got an early serial number silver tag here, and then we've kind of got the regular, we've got 72 2 next to it. You can see some of the differences that they have. But I'll make a video later today when I gotta fix a lot of the metal work on this guy. And in front, you can see that we've got the steering stem got clipped off from a crash. But just wanted to do a quick walkthrough in the morning. Gonna give everybody an idea of what's going on. Thanks for watching. Visit us at mytrailbuddy.com. Thanks.